Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we're getting deep into Bitcoin's explosive move past 95,000, a pump to 99K, and what's next? Are we about to break $100,000 or is a sharp correction imminent? Watch till the end to find out. In yesterday's video, we discussed Bitcoin struggling against the $95,000 resistance. Well, today it smashed through it. Not only did we break that key level, but we also pumped straight to $97,900, topping out at $99,000 late in the day. Now $100,000 is within striking distance, but here's the catch. Whale wallets are shorting aggressively, while retail traders are piling into longs. This imbalance has me cautious. What's interesting is that my strategy hasn't flashed a single entry signal since 2 days ago at $91,000. It sounds crazy, right? We've been pumping non-stop, but there hasn't been a deep enough dip to trigger an entry. That's how disciplined strategies work. Let's talk about the liquidation heat map. On the 12-hour heat map, we can see a significant short liquidation pocket visible around 99.5K, but it thins out near 100K. On the other hand, the 3-day heat map shows larger pockets are clustered lower, around 90.8K and $90,300. What does this mean? In my opinion, the best case scenario for market makers is this: collect liquidity at $99,500, bait retail into over-leveraged longs, and then dump the price down to $90,000. It's a classic liquidity grab. If that happens, whales will profit from the correction while retail traders get liquidated. Remember, market makers thrive on volatility, and this setup looks ripe for a potential trap. Now, you might recall my video from a few days ago where I talked about the potential for minus 30% dips during bull runs. Realistically, I mentioned this could occur around $105,000, bringing us back into the yellow channel around $90,000. But is that realistic right now? Honestly, not at these levels. The market is showing relentless strength, with massive inflows driving price action. That said, the market can remain irrational longer than we can stay liquid. Trading is a strategic game, and the only way to win is to play it smart. Here's the key takeaway. While $100,000 is exciting, be cautious. Whales shorting and retail longing is never a good mix. The heat map suggests potential traps, and my strategy is waiting for a proper dip before entering. We've had a 100% success rate on our trades in recent weeks, and I share all my thoughts, entries, and exits in real time on Discord. If you want to stay ahead of the market, join the community. Like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for tuning in. Let's see how Bitcoin plays out in the next 24 hours. Stay cautious, trade smart, and see you in the next one.